Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, my audiences. I hope all of you are so well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Now, I am here for telling you something about the very Islamic point of view. There is also a far distance for coming here from me because such kind of vandalism is to be found in Bangladesh, and for this reason uh, this is too late for me to come here, but I am coming here for sharing this message at the face of Islamic point of view. And I am going to tell to you about the very alarm, about the very alarming situation of the very Qiyamah, that means the very day of resurrection and the very day of judgment. And there are also a lot of discussion in the Holy Quran. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has opted a lot of things about the very occurring, about the very happening of the very day of resurrection, day of the very judgment actually. And in the same way, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has also opted the very notion, the very symptoms, the very characteristics of the very day of resurrection, day of judgment, day of Qiyamah in the very surah. The name of the surah is the very Surah Naba. And I am here also telling you, I am here also reciting the very verse of the very surah Naba. Okay, not all the very verses, but I have mentioned here, or I will mention here the very verses which totally will resemble the very notion, the very symptoms of the very Qiyamah. Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يوم يقوم الروح والملائكة صفا لا يتكلمون إلا من أذن له الرحمن وقال صوابا. Here, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has opted that at the very day of resurrection, at the very day of judgment, all the angels and the very Jibril alayhi salatu wasalam, that means Hazrat Jibril alayhi salatu wasalam with the very other angels also will also stand in row in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala at the time of resurrection, and they will not, all of them will not totally capable of telling anything. Okay, but if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give them the very power, give them the very ability to talk something, this is exception. Then the very persons whom, then not the very person, then the very angels whom Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give the very permission to talk something, most probably they will be totally capable of telling the very thing, anything. And the persons who will be given the very permission to talk in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will also say the very correct things. Okay, this is the very true something about the very resurrection, about the very day of judgment. Before stopping myself here, I am going to talk to you. You can practice your English speaking like me in this way. You can also quote any verse from the very Holy Quran, and most probably Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will help you to fulfill your mission of speaking English. Okay.